Hey friends, it's Leo here with Leo's Art Club. I just got back from vacation. I was in Croatia visiting family, but I'm so happy to be back and drawing with you again. Also, at the end of the video, I'll be posting some pictures from Croatia if you want to check them out. Today we're going to be drawing Eevee, and all you're going to need is pencil. I'm going to be using a marker, a blank piece of paper, and something to color with. And if you're new here, make sure you hit the subscribe button, and let's get started. You guys ready? Let's start. First, you're going to draw a curve like this. Then you're going to draw a second curve, kind of curving this like this. Then you're going to draw another one right inside of it. But do not connect the bottom yet. Then for the bottom, you're just going to draw two spikes. Then you're just going to curve like right here and then draw a bump. Then you're just going to curve it down like this. Then you're going to make one line like this with a bump. Then you're going to draw a giant bump, another one, and then you're just going to stop right there so I'll let you guys catch up. Then you're just going to draw a tiny one just like that. Then, after that one, you're just going to draw one giant one. Draw this. Then one, nope. Then you're just going to draw the connect ear like this. Then you're going to curve that in like this. Then you're going to do the same thing with two spikes. You're first going to draw that. Then you're going to go in. Then you're going to curve down just the same. Then you're going to draw those two eyebrows. Then you're going to draw those two eyes with two giant circles. Not giant. Then you're going to draw the detail in his eyes. Then you're going to draw that with the other one. Then you're going to draw two little white circles. You're going to keep those white. Same when you're coloring. Then you're going to draw the mouth. After that, you're just drawing a tiny little nose. Just like that. But after that, you're just going to draw a little curve like this. Then curve back in. Then you're going to do that again, but pointing more down. Let's do it. Then you're just going to curve like this, and you're double bump it. Then you're going to curve in, make a lump out like that. Then you're going to do a tiny little opposite with the other one, like this. Then, after that, you're just going to curve straight down like that. Do little bumps. Then you're going to curve like that. Then you're going to draw his leg from right here, going down. Then after that, you're going to draw a line. Then this. Then you're going to do the exact same. And then you're just going to draw like that. And then you're going to draw its next leg. But the next leg is going to be a little bit longer. You're just going to draw two little lumps. Just like a regular Eevee. Then you're just going to put that up at the top with another one. Just aim that up. And after that, you're just going to draw two little lines like that. Then you're just going to draw a line, another line, and then a line like that. And after that, of course, now you're going to draw a tiny little Eevee's tail, which is like this. Then you're going to draw a Rigract like this. Then you're going to draw details on this. Like you're going to go like this. And if you can, you're going to go like this. Then you're going to draw a tiny little close line by it. Then after that, you're going to draw the exact same but tiny lines. Like that. When you curve that in, also you're just going to tiny curve like this. It's going to connect to Eevee. That's it for the drawing. Then now you're going to close your marker and you're going to start coloring. We did it. We finished Eevee. I hope you had fun drawing with me today. If you missed my last video, click on the description here. I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.